Whether you're quickscoping in fast-paced battles or lining up the perfect long-range headshot, being a great sniper can change the outcome of any match. But how do you actually get better at it? Well, today I'm sharing my personal strategy that works every time. First, let me introduce you to my go-to training ground, Warzone Bootcamp. The competition here is a bit more forgiving, making it the perfect place to experiment and refine your sniping skills. Whether you're practicing quickscopes or improving your aim, this mode offers a lower pressure environment to learn and grow. When it comes to quickscoping, my weapon of choice is the Kar 98K. This sniper rifle is incredibly fast and perfect for aggressive gameplay. In Bootcamp, I focus on mastering quickscopes and improving my reaction time. The Kar's speed allows me to stay mobile and dominate in fast-paced encounters. If you're looking for the best sniper to start with, this is it. While the Kar 98K is amazing for aggressive play, I switched to a different sniper for regular sniping situations. This rifle is built for precision and offers better bullet velocity and range, making it ideal for those long-distance eliminations. I'll show my sniper loadout at the end of the video, so stick around. Here are a few tips that help me stay sharp as a sniper. Number 1, position yourself smartly. High ground and good sight lines can make all the difference. Number 2, keep practicing headshots in boot camp. They're crucial for quick kills. And number 3, stay mobile. After every shot, relocate to avoid being counter-sniped. Sniping is all about practice, patience, and the right setup. Use Warzone Bootcamp to refine your skills, experiment with quickscoping, and build confidence. Once you master the basics, take your game to the next level with these loadouts. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite sniper? Thanks for watching.
Taking effective fire!
We're in the top 5. Bring home the win. No targets left.